Arch Air Medical Service. Arch was an initialism for Area Rescue Consortium of Hospitals, is an emergency medical service, EMS, that provides critical care air ambulance service in Missouri, Illinois, and the surrounding regions. Air ambulance programs, also known as Medevac, offer transport by helicopter, rotor-wing, or fixed-wing aircraft. Arch Air was the 12th program in the U.S. to offer such services when it began operating in March 1979, transporting approximately 4,200 patients per year by rotor-wing. Arch aircraft are staffed by a pilot, nurse and paramedic. Flights are 80% inter-facility, hospital to hospital, and 20% scene. Transport is also provided for specialty teams from St. Mary's Health Center Obstetrics, Cardinal Glennon Children's Hospital, St. John's Mercy Medical Center, Creve Coeur Neonatal, St. Francis Medical Center, Cape Girardeau Neonatal, Southeast Missouri Hospital Cape Girardeau Neonatal, and St. John's Hospital, Springfield, Neonatal. University of Missouri Children's Transport Service Peds and Neonate. History. March 1979. The program began operations as SMARC, Medical Air Rescue Corps, and was based at St. Louis University Hospital flying the Sikorsky S-55. 1980. MARC replaced the Sikorsky S-55 with the Bell Jet Ranger helicopter. August 1987. MARC became a not-for-profit consortium sponsored by St. Louis' 3 adult trauma centers: Barnes Jewish Hospital, St. John's Mercy Medical Center and St. Louis University Hospital. The name Arch, Area Rescue Consortium of Hospitals, was selected to identify the cooperative effort. Officially named Arch Air Medical Services. 1989. Paramedic added to the crew mix of pilot, registered nurse. 1990. Arch replaced the Bell Jet Ranger with the MBB Kawasaki BK-117 aircraft, offering cabin class, twin-engine, space, speed and safety. 1990 also saw the addition of fixed-wing services when it added a Beechcraft King Air for longer distance transports, 100 to 500 miles from base. Flights in inclement weather which prohibit rotor-wing flights and specialty teams. 1993. Arch opens their own communications center after having this service done by a sister ambulance company owned by the consortium to meet its own special needs. 1997 to 2000. Arch and Mid-America Transplant, both non-profits, buy services from for-profits Skylife, but they get services at a 10% to 15% discount to the cost they were previously paying to charter air services. Skylife therefore expands their fixed-wing service, starting with ARCH's 2 Beechcraft King Air, and adding 2 Diamond 1A jets and 1 Baron 58. Based at Spirit of St. Louis Airport, this service would be available for organ procurement teams and corporate charters. Skylife had contracts to provide critical care transport services with the Regional Organ Bank of Illinois and Chicago, the Iowa statewide organ procurement organization in Iowa City, and Barnes Jewish Physician Services, as well as previous commitments with Cardinal Glennon Children's Hospital, St. John's Mercy Medical Center and St. Louis Children's Hospital specialty transport teams. 1999. Arch gained national recognition for its accomplishments in quality of service when it received accreditation from the Commission on Accreditation of Medical Transport Systems, CAMTS. Of 8 air ambulance programs in Missouri, 5 have CAMTS accreditation and 2 are operated by Arch Air Medical Services, Inc. 2000. Arch Air Medical Services, Inc. was acquired by Air Methods Corporation, which operates air ambulance programs across America. 2000 also saw the acquisition of Lifebeat Air Medical from Southeast Missouri Hospital. Arch is now known as Arch Air Medical Service. Air Methods was not interested in Skylife Aviation and did not purchase that part of Arch, and therefore Skylife closed their doors December 31, 1999. 2009. Arch now utilizes Eurocopter EC-130s for many outlying bases as well as the BK-17s and EC-135s. For over 30 years, Arch Air Medical Service has operated an accident-free safety record. Current Arch Air Medical Service bases. The helicopter service area is around 150 miles around each base. In 2014, Arch relabeled all of its bases and now the call sign doesn't change regardless of the aircraft in use. Arch 1 Granite City, Illinois BK-117. Kids Flight 2 Alton, Illinois BK-117. Kids Flight 1 Farmington, Missouri BK-117. Arch 8 Warrenton, Missouri EC-130. Arch 6 Sullivan, Missouri Bell 407 GXP. Arch 4 Sparta, Illinois EC-135. Arch 2 Litchfield, Illinois Bell 407 GXP. Arch 3 Effingham, Illinois Bell 407 GXP. Glennon Flight 1 Cardinal Glennon Children's, Granite City, Illinois BK-117. Rescue Flight 1 Highland, Ill Bell 407 GXP. In 2013, Arch closed its fixed-wing program due to low volumes and the parent company, Air Methods, providing this service through their newly acquired company American Jets. In 2012, Air Methods opened its central dispatching center in Omaha, Nebraska, and Arch Dispatch was removed from service. Also included in the Arch region are the following community-based services: Airlife 1 Urbana, Illinois N328CHEC 130. Medflight 1 Joplin, Missouri EC 130. Medflight 2 Nevada, Missouri EC 130. Medflight 3 Rogers, Arkansas EC 130. Lifestar 1 Joliet, Illinois N154AM BK 117. Life Flight 1 Evansville, Indiana N247 SM Bell 407. React 1 Rockford, Illinois EC 135. Saints Flight 1 Springfield, Illinois EC 130. Saints Flight 2 Streeter, Illinois N102 LNA Star. Air Methods ceased Saints Flight 2 operations 10 January 2010. The following hospital-based services are sister programs of Arch and are owned and operated by Air Methods. Staff for Life 1 Columbia, Missouri N900UMMD 900. Staff for Life 2 Osage Beach, Missouri N126 LNA Star. Staff for Life 3 Lamontie, Missouri N549 AMA Star. UCAN, Chicago. Ildorfen 365 N1. The following bases are licensed and can operate under IFR instrument flight rules, with several more bases to switch to IFR in the next 2 years. React, Rockford, Illinois. Air Methods, Arch Air.